Everybody just calm down.
Whoa! What's going on, my little friends? How are y'all doing today? Welcome to Storytime Adventures with Mr. Billy. This is a very special episode because it's our 1-year anniversary of 3 King Visions. Yay! Thank everyone for your support. Please subscribe, like, and share the channel. We love all the support you've been giving us. It's all about the kids. But guess what, everyone? It's also Bizzy's birthday! Yay! Bizzy! Where's Bizzy, y'all? Have y'all seen Bizzy? Oh, there goes Bizzy! Everyone say, hello, Bizzy! It's your birthday! It's your birthday! Bizzy the Bee! Yeah, it's your birthday! Yay! How old are you, man? 5? Whoa! I got a special gift for you, man! Whoa! Bizzy, since you're 5, I guess that should be the number of the day! Let's count to 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5! Our buzzword of the day is special. Can everyone say special? Special. Good job, good job, good job. Our first song of the day is a Big Mac truck. Everyone hold their hands out like this. Here we go. A Big Mac truck, a Big Mac truck, a tiny little mirror and a Big Mac truck. A Big Mac truck, a Big Mac truck, a tiny little mirror and a Big Mac truck. A racing car, a racing car, a tiny little mirror and a racing car. A racing car, a racing car, a tiny little mirror and a Big Mac truck. Good job, everybody. Our story of the day is a very special story. This is Dear Black Boy, provided by the Imagination Agency in the celebration of Black History Month. Let's dive into this adventure. Dear Black Boy, number 2001-88, the quest for freedom continues. Whoa, Bizzy, do you see that trophy? It says freedom. Can we say freedom? Freedom. We must lace up our shoes to do more than run another sprint, dunk another ball, catch another pass, or swing at another pitch. We must lace our shoes and run towards freedom, cheering on those who are training and running our same race, picking up those who get tired or distracted on their way to the finish line. Bizzy, come on and lace up your shoes. Come along and ride on the fantastic ride finish line. Freedom is still a giraffe and a half away. So we must run another lap like the greats before us who ran the same race. Whoa! Do y'all see that giraffe? Look at the other giraffe. They're building a path for us to follow. Yeah. Shh. And we must pick up the pace. The low-hanging fruit is what the world prefers you to reach for, but we must climb the tree. Look at that. Fresh squeezed fruit from the top of the tree. Let's climb the tree, everybody. Climb. Climb higher and you will discover that the fruit at the top is sweeter than Kool-Aid. Fresh squeezed fruit. The game of life is the one game they don't think we can win. Bizzy, pass me that game of life. Life, 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 life. But this must be the greatest game ever played. Millions have marched, millions have fought, and millions have died. Wow. We have famous baseball players, astronauts, doctors, lawyers, all that have sacrificed for us. Millions continue to run for our freedom. Run, black boy, run! For you can change the world for us all. Ooh, it's that Mamba mentality. Train, black boy, train! For we need you to be in shape because the journey is a long one. Come on, Bizzy, let's go on our journey. Dream bigger, black boy. Dream bigger. For your dreams are valuable. No one can take those from you. You deserve to dream the wildest dreams and to chase those dreams the same way you chase that loose ball in the fourth quarter, a running back breaking free down our sideline, or a fly ball in the outfield. Set goals, black boy, set goals. Slam dunk those goals the same way you do an alley-oop. For your goals in life are worth so much more than 2 points. Bizzy, pass me that ball so I can catch an alley-oop. Whoa! Shatter the glass, Shack Attack style. Exercise, black boy, exercise. Exercise your right to speak your mind, to pursue happiness, to seek peace and prosperity, to avoid conformity imposed by the small minds of society. Exercise until you're drenched in sweat. Once again, that's that Mamba mentality. Think, black boy, think. You think too, Bizzy. Put on your light bulb, for your mind is your greatest tool. Whoa! Look at that, everyone. Move forward, black boy. Move forward. For we know where we've been, but where will you take us next? Freedom! Win, black boy, win! For the world needs more winners who look just like you. So lace up your shoes, pick up hope, get in the game, and show us what you can do. And Bizzy, stay focused, buddy. For the game of life is the greatest game you will ever play. Get out there and play your heart out. And remember, anything is possible. Runners, take your places. Everyone, let's get ready for the race. Let's lace up our shoes and let's go on this adventure. And guess what, everybody? I want everyone to hold their hands up. And this is the Dear Black Boy Pledge. I, Mr. Billy, 3 King Visions, and Bizzy the Bee pledge to influence young readers throughout the world. Sign here. Go! The end! Yeah! Whoa! Have y'all seen Bizzy? Where is Bizzy? It's his birthday. Whoa! Look at those beehives. I wonder if Bizzy's hiding behind there. Let's see. Whoa! That's a doctor. That's not Bizzy. Where is Bizzy? Maybe he's behind that beehive. Whoa! An astronaut? That's not Bizzy. Where is Bizzy? Maybe he's right there. Whoa! That's pretty cool, but that's not Bizzy. It's a scientist. And lastly, let's see if Bizzy's behind there. Whoa! Yeah! Hey, Bizzy, did you have a great time for your birthday? I hope you did. But guess what, y'all? It's time. It's time for the Bumblebee song. Yay! Hold their hands together like this. Here we go. I'm bringing home my baby Bumblebee. Won't my mommy be so proud of me? I'm bringing home my baby Bumblebee. So, it stung me. What we're gonna do next, y'all? We're gonna squish the Bumblebee. I'm squishing up my baby Bumblebee. Won't my mommy be so proud of me? I'm squishing up my baby Bumblebee. Oh, it's sticky. What we're gonna do next, y'all? We're gonna lick the Bumblebee off our hands. I'm licking off my baby bumblebee. Won't my mommy be so proud of me? I'm licking off my baby bumblebee. Oh, it's yucky. What we're gonna do next, y'all, we're gonna wipe the bumblebee off our hands. I'm wiping off my baby bumblebee. Now my mommy be so proud of me. I'm wiping off my baby bumblebee. Look, no more bumblebee! Yay!
Free King Fission.